Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mixpanel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Mixpanel project API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want your Mixpanel secret API key anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that building out automations is going to end up saving you a lot of time. And some of those automations require an API secret key to your Mixpanel project. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mixpanel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Mixpanel account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Mixpanel secret API key, first you need to make sure you're working in the correct project up here on the top left. Once you click there, you're going to see all the projects you're working on. I just have this one. Okay, so once you've chosen the project, here on the bottom left, you're going to click on this little gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on project settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see more information about your project. However, here on the left, you want to click on overview. Once you've clicked on overview, you're going to scroll down. All right, once you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the section here called access keys. And here is where you can see your Mixpanel API secret key. And you can easily just click on this button right here. And now your API key is copied to your clipboard. So you can paste it into whatever software is requesting the Mixpanel API secret key. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your Mixpanel secret API key, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.